Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another 2022 WRX video. From the title of the video, you already know what we're going to be doing. Right here we have the JDM STI rear diffuser in black. We'll go into it a little bit more when we get a close-up. So let's get right into it. So here you can see we have the rear diffuser that's going to be going on to the lower part of the car right here of the bumper. So they do sell this at like the dealerships, but it's like a chrome. It really doesn't go well with the car. It doesn't really match anything. And since we're changing a lot of the trim in the front to gloss black, we have this gloss black strip right here. We're gonna add this JDM rear diffuser here. I haven't really seen anyone post about this. I did see a picture of it. And then I randomly found a website that stocked them. They are currently out of stock, but they are getting more in. I will post a link in the description of where to find this part. So let's get right into it. It should be a pretty easy install. It did come with instructions. Obviously can't read them, but it is a authentic Subaru part. There is the part number there. So we just got 4 clips. When you flip this thing over, let me step back and you guys can see it. It's just some 3M double-sided tape, 4 clips on the bottom. So let's get to it.
Perfect.
There we have it. The install is complete, nice and easy. It's an OEM Subaru part, so you know everything lined up. So this is what we put on. And obviously, yeah, everything just perfectly lined up in all the spots. To this one, there you go. So yeah, I think it's another improvement to the back of this car. A little bit more gloss black, same with up there. So just trying to break up this like regular plastic for this rear bumper. We do have a 4th brake light coming in, so stay tuned for an install on that. We did go with a Subi Bros with a plug and play harness. I'll show you which style we got once that one comes in, but overall car is coming along nice. Another shot of that rear diffuser right there. So that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick install for this JDM rear diffuser. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. I did just get a set of quick jacks, so once some more parts coming out, it'll help me make some a little bit better videos for you guys and a little better installs so I can get the car a little bit higher. If you want me to do a little video about the quick jacks, I can. Just let me know in the comments below. Other than that, have a good day, guys. Let's get it.